Make a splash with our one-of-a-kind whale-watching adventure tour. Your tour starts when your guide picks you up just outside the gates of Icy Strait Point, heading to Hoonah Harbor to board your whale-watching boat. In the water, you may get a chance to spot orca, porpoises, and sea otter in addition to the feeding humpbacks. Humpback whales come to Alaska in huge numbers to feed on the nutrient-rich waters of Glacier Bay and Icy Strait Point every summer. You will stay warm and dry with viewing decks and heated cabins as you experience the wonder and beauty of our whale-watching trip. For a small group whale-watching experience that showcases the natural wildlife, our whale-watching adventure tour is the one for you.